Hey everybody, Jay here. Just wanted to do a quick video. I'm in El Salvador, actually on a construction trip, and I just purchased this Amazon Basic Elite suitcase. I just want to show you how I packed it here. I use my packing cubes for my clothes. Very deep with extended, the extended zipper on the side to make it even thicker. And then once I zip this up, it comes with this unique brace here that can strap on and buckle, and kind of keep this thing connected. So right here, I flipped it over. This is all my dirty clothes. This is where I've been painting here in an orphanage in El Salvador. My raincoat, my gimbal, and other things. These are dirty. If immigration opens this up, they're going to be in for a surprise. But it's really awesome because the straps in here will come around, and I'll lock this in place so this will be secure, and then we're off to the races. It also comes with its own lock, TSA lock, which is very important to have on your suitcase, especially if you travel internationally. Because then the TA can get in through here if they need to check your bags, but keeping your bags locked while you're in other countries is extremely important. Now I will say this thing about the wheels. These have been some of the smoothest wheels, the four-wheel pattern, some of the smoothest wheels that I've had on luggage. And I'm gonna just zip it up here. I'll take some photos of it as well. So as you can see, Amazon Basics. I got this on Prime Day. It wasn't that much. I paid a little over $30 for it on Prime Day, but it will extend to give you more space. This is very light, so you can actually pack more, especially if you're flying with Spirit Airlines that only allows 40 pounds. And then yes, of course, it does have the extension here for when you're going, and another one here. So as of right now on this first trip, it was a rough trip. This thing held up. It hasn't had any scratches or dings or anything. This came when when I got the package, and we'll see. We'll do more review on it later, but I just wanted to give you a quick update on how that works. It's Jay walking the planet. Until next time.